Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today I will be showing you how to join two strings in Excel. There are two ways in which we can do this. First is the concatenate function that Excel provides us, or we can use the ampersand sign and join the strings. So let's first focus on the concatenate function. So I'll use equal to sign and then type concatenate. So the second function joins several text into one string. So I'll choose the first text that I want to use. It is so basically I will create a string with last name, comma, and first name. So this is the first text the that I have chosen, and then space. What I want to do is add a comma in between the last name and first name. So I'll open the brackets, put a comma, add a space for spacing, and close the comma. Now move on to the third text. Third, I want the first name. So I'll use the first name, close the bracket, press enter. So as you can see, it's rods, comma, the first name. So now if I want to copy the formula for all the data points, I can simply press shift and down arrow, and then I'll press Control D. This will copy the formula from the first cell to all the corresponding cells. Now another way, a quicker way to do this is by using the concatenate thing, that is the ampersand sign. For this I will write equal to, I will use my last name, and I'll use an ampersand sign, and then like in the same as the first case, I'll add a comma and a space in between the last name and first name, and then again use an ampersand sign and use the first name, and then press enter. See, it will give the same result as the first one. So I simply drag this down so that this will the rule will follow to all the data points. I can either press Control D, or you can simply drag select the bottom right of the data cell and drag it. So this is how you can use different ways in order to join or concatenate strings or any data present inside cells. Thank you.